After creating and reviewing your order, it is now ready to send to the supplier. Many pharmacy suppliers allow pharmacies to transmit orders electronically via the Pharmax gateway. To send an order electronically via Pharmax, you must have a Pharmax account set up and approved. You can find step-by-step guides to help you with the setup process on the Minfos Help Centre. Alternatively, orders can be printed or exported to be sent to suppliers by other means such as email. To transmit an order via the Pharmax gateway, in Order Maintenance, select the required order and click Transmit. In the Send Order window, ensure the format type is set to C Pharmax. The order type and delivery type are pre-populated from the values that were entered during the Pharmax setup process in supplier maintenance. The account number is also pre-populated. This should only need to be adjusted if you have more than one account with the supplier. Ensure the correct Pharmax account is selected. In the clerk number field, enter your clerk code. This is the same code you enter at the till to perform a sale. The supply method and backup fields are both pre-populated from supplier maintenance if required. Click OK to transmit the order. The order status will be updated to Issued in Order Maintenance. For suppliers that are not set up to transmit orders via the Pharmax gateway, you can print or export the order, then manually update the status to Issued. To do so, select the relevant order and then click Print. In the Report Type window, select the format you need. For standard orders, the purchase order format is most appropriate. Show Prices is checked by default. Untick this if you do not want your last unit cost for the items on the printed or exported order. It is recommended that Show Zero Quantity items and Sort by delivery are left unchecked when printing or exporting an order to send to the supplier. In the lower section, choose the type of file you want to generate. If you only want to view the order, select No Report Export. This will open the order for you to view. You can choose to print or export from this screen if you wish. If you wish to export the order into Excel, choose this option and the order will automatically open in Excel. If you would like to export the order to a PDF, select the Export to PDF option and the PDF will be generated and displayed. The order can also be emailed to the supplier. This option will be visible if you are configured for email. Once selected, the email report dialog will display. If an email address is saved against the supplier in supplier maintenance, the email address field will be pre-filled, reducing the need to manually enter the supplier's email address. Otherwise, enter the email address to send the order to. Enter a subject and email body if required, and then click Email. Exporting or printing the order does not automatically mark the order as sent. To record the order as having been sent, select the order and click Issue. The status of the order will be updated to Issued. For further information about sending orders and the Pharmax Gateway, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.